Mastering Indirect Questions, the art of polite conversation. Hello there, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we'll be focusing on an exciting topic, indirect questions. If you want to sound more polite in your conversations or need to ask something in a formal situation, then this is exactly what you need to learn. First, let's quickly recap what we know about questions. In English, we have direct questions, which are straightforward and to the point. For example, what time is it? Or, where is the library? On the other hand, indirect questions are not asked directly. They are often considered more polite, making them useful in formal or sensitive contexts. An example of an indirect question is, could you tell me where the library is? Take note of the structure here. An indirect question often starts with phrases like, could you tell me? Do you know? Or, I was wondering, and is usually followed by a statement. Identifying whether a question is direct or indirect is key to understanding how to respond. Direct questions usually start with a question word. Who? What? Where? When? Why? How? Or a helping verb. Is, are, do, does, did. These questions expect a direct answer. For instance, what is your name? Where do you live? On the other hand, indirect questions often start with a polite expression and are followed by a statement. Note that these statements usually follow the word order of a statement rather than a question. For instance, could you tell me what your name is? I was wondering where you live. As you can see, indirect questions sound softer and more polite. They are perfect to use when you want to show respect or when you're talking to someone you don't know very well. Let's put this into practice. Here are a few activities for you. 1. Convert the following direct questions into indirect questions. 2. When does the train leave? 3. How much does this cost? 4. Now, convert these indirect questions into direct questions. 5. Can you tell me where the nearest supermarket is? 6. Do you know when the post office closes? Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more naturally you'll be able to use indirect questions in your conversations. And there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson on direct and indirect questions. It's a subtle art, but mastering this can make a significant difference in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice using these in your daily life. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!